नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics first means algebra, the six. Now today we are studying the miscellaneous problems 6. Question 1 means the MCQ. Find the correct answer from the alternatives given. Number first question is the persons of O blood group are 40%. The classification of persons based on the blood groups is to be shown by a pie diagram. What should be the measure of angle for the person of O blood group? Now here options are given: A 114, 140 degree, 104 and 144. Now here 40% O blood group means persons of O blood group are 40%. 40% means 0.40 into 360, then we will get 144 degree. Means answer is D, 144 degree. Now then second question, different expenditures incurred on the construction of a building were shown by a pie diagram. The expenditure rupees 45,000 on cement was shown by a sector of central angle of 75 degree. What was the total expenditure of the construction? या ठिकाणी असा क्वेश्चन आहे आणि आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहीत आहे, सेंट्रल अँगल इज इक्वल टू स्कोअर अपॉन टोटल इंटू 360. मग व्हॅल्यूज जर आपण पुटअप केल्या 75 इज इक्वल टू 45,000 अपॉन एक्स इंटू 360, देन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 45,000 अपॉन 75 इंटू 360. 75 ने आपण डिवाइड जर केलं तर 600 इंटू 360, देन वी विल गेट 2,16,000. means answer is A. Then third question is cumulative frequency in a group frequency table are useful to find. कशासाठी आपण cumulative frequency घेतो? To find B answer is the median. Then fourth is the formula to find the mean from a group frequency table is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into hg. In the formula ui is equal to, मग या ठिकाणी ui is equal to जो आहे we know di is equal to xi minus a like that upon g. Means here answer will be the C, means x minus a upon g is the answer. Then fifth question. Now from this table the median of the distances covered per liter shown in the above data is in the group. या ठिकाणी median आपल्याला the greatest या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्वेन्सी जी आहे ती 20 आहे आणि त्याचा जो क्लास आहे तो क्लास आहे 16 to 18 आहे. अँड हेन्स या ठिकाणी जो मीडियन काढण्यासाठी आपण हा मीडियन क्लास इज सी इज द आन्सर 16 to 18. देन सिक्स्थ एक्झाम्पल, in the table data is given. It is to be shown by a frequency polygon. The coordinates of the points to show number of students in the class 4, 6 are. तर फ्रिक्वेन्सी पॉलिगॉन काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला जे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट्स फाइंड करायचे आहे तर आपण क्लास मार्क घेतो. या ठिकाणी 4, 6 चा क्लास मार्क 4 + 6/2 मीन्स 5 होईल. मीन्स एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट आणि नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स म्हणजे या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे त्याची 8. मीन्स आन्सर इज C 5, 8. 2. The following table shows the income of farmers in a grape season. Find mean of their income. Now here classes are given here 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80 like this. And frequency means the number of farmers are given here. Now make table like this. Now take the class marks of each class. Now class mark of class 20, 30 means 20 plus 30 means 50 divided by 2 means 25. Class mark of this class is 25. Then second class 30, 40 means 70 divided by 2 means 35. Then class mark of this 40 plus 50 divided by 2 means 90 divided by 2 means 45. Then like this increases by 10. 45 plus 10 means 55. Then 65. Then 75 like this. And frequencies are given here. Now take the total of frequency means Fi means here N means summation Fi is equal to. हे सर्व आपण जर टोटल या ठिकाणी जर घेतली तर टोटल इज 84. नाउ टेक हियर xi into fi. xi means class mark into frequency fi. 25 into 10 means 250 here. Then 35 into 11 which is equal to 385. 385. Then 45 into 15 675. Then 55 into 16 which is equal to 880. 880. Then 65 into 18 which is equal to 1170. Then 75 into 14 means 1050. Now take the sum means the summation of fi xi is equal to. या सर्वांची आपल्याला टोटल घ्यायची आहे आणि दॅट टोटल इज 4410. नाउ use the formula of mean. Mean is equal to x bar which is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi which is equal to here 4410 divided by 84. Now on solving we will get, याला जर आपण सॉल्व केलं तर या ठिकाणी then we get 52.5 thousand. Means which is equal to multiply by 1000 then we get 52 and decimal point च्या नंतर 3 zeros means 500 and hence the mean of their income is equal to 52,500 rupees. This is the answer. Now the third question, loan sanctioned by bank for farm ponds. Find mean of the loans. Now here loan in 1000 classes means the classes 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70, 80, 80, 90 like this. Now we have to take the class mark also. Number of farmers, number of farms ponds means the frequency is given. Then next column we have to take the fi into xi. मग या ठिकाणी हा जो क्लास आहे 40 to 50 ॲड करा आणि त्याला डिवाइड बाय 2 ने डिवाइड करायचं आहे. 40 plus 50 means 90 divided by 2 means 45 is the class mark of this class. Then second, 50 plus 60 means 110 divided by 2 means class mark will be 55, which is increasing by 10, then 65, then 75, then 85. Now here take the total of frequency means summation fi is equal to, या सर्वांची या ठिकाणी आपण आपल्याला टोटल घ्यायची आहे. here total will be 100. Now take the product of fi and xi. Now here 45 into 13 या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर देन वी गेट 585, राईट हिअर 585. देन 55 into 20 we know 55 into 2 means 110 and is 0. Then 65 into 24 is 1560, 1560. Then here 75 into 36, या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला साईडला रफमध्ये तुम्ही करून बघायचं आहे. 75 into 36 रफमध्ये करायचं आणि ते आन्सर लिहायचं आहे 2700. 2700. Then 85 into 7, 7ने याला मल्टिप्लाय करा. देन वी गेट 595, 595. त्यानंतर हे आपल्याला ॲड करायचं आहे. 5 plus 5 means 10 means 0, carry 1. 8 plus 1 means 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 9 means here 24 means 4, carry 2, 2 plus 5 7, 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 5 25 means 5 will be here. Then carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4 5 6 here, 6540. Now here use the formula min is equal to x bar, which is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi, which is equal to, now putting the values 6540, then upon this is 100, which is equal to here 65.40. This is the answer, but this is 1000 means we have to multiply by 1000. Then we get means which is equal to 65.40 into 1000, which is equal to 65,400. This is the answer, and hence the mean of loans is equal to rupees 65,400. This is the mean. Then fourth example. Now in the fourth example, weekly wages of 120 workers. Find a mean of weekly wages from the following table. Now I am making this table to find the here mean. Now here weekly wages in rupees 0 to 2000 like this. Then we have to take the class mark. Now it is also difficult to solve by the previous formula. I am using the division method, and hence division di is equal to exi minus a. So we have to take a value of a means assume mean, then subtract from the each class mark, then number of workers means frequency fi, then last column is the fi into di. Now here class mark is 0 plus 2000 divided by 2 means 2000 divided by 2 means 1000, then 2000 plus 4000 means 6000 divided by 2 means class mark of this class is 3000. 4 plus 6 means 10 by 2 means 5000 here. Then 6 plus 8 14 divided by 2 means 7000 is the class mark. Now here take now assume mean. Now from this मग यामधून मी ॲझ्युम मीन घेतो. आपल्याला ॲझ्युम मीन 3000 नाही तर आपल्याला 5000 या दोनपैकी घ्यावं लागेल. मग हे इझी होण्यासाठी आय एम टेकिंग 3000 ॲज द ॲझ्युम मीन, and hence let the assume mean a is equal to 3000, and hence here xi minus a means assume mean means 3000. then subtract करायचं आहे आपल्याला. सर्व याच्यातून सबट्रॅक्ट केल्यानंतर 1000 minus 3000 means minus 2000. then 3000 minus 3000 means 0. then 5000 minus 3000 means 2000 here. then 7000 minus 3000 means 4000 here. This is the di. Now number of workers means fi is also given. Then total of fi means the summation fi is equal to 120. नेक्स्ट कॉलममध्ये लास्ट कॉलममध्ये प्रॉडक्ट घ्यायचा आहे fi and di चा. या ठिकाणी fi आहे आणि हा di आहे. या ठिकाणी मायनस इंटू प्लस मीन्स द मायनस आन्सर. या ठिकाणी 15 इंटू 2 मीन्स 30 and 3 zeros 1 2 3 zeros. Now 35 into 0 means 0 here. Now 50 plus 2 means 100 and 3 zeros 1 2 3 zeros. Now here 4 plus 4 into 2 are 24 is 80, then 3 zeros 1 2 3 zeros. Now take the summation, then we get. या सर्वांची आपल्याला या ठिकाणी टोटल घ्यायची आहे आणि ती टोटल या ठिकाणी आपण जर फाइंड केली तर ही टोटल देन वी गेट 1,80,000 minus 30 means here the answer will be 1,50,000. Now here let the assume mean. Here we have taken a is equal to 3000. Now here d bar is equal to summation fi di upon summation fi, which is equal to here 1,50,000 divided by summation fi, which is equal to 120. Then 0 get cancelled. Then dividing by 12, 12 ones are 12, then 30, 12 to the 24 means 60, then 12 5 is 60, then 0, like this. Then this is the value of di. Now use the formula mean is equal to x bar, which is equal to a plus d bar, which is equal to a means 3000, then plus d bar is 1250, which is equal to here 3 plus 1 means 4, 4250 like this, which is equal to 4250 rupees, and hence the mean of weekly wages is equal to rupees 4250. This is the answer. Then fifth question, the amount of 8 to 50 flood affected families, find the mean of amount of aid from the following table. Now for this I am taking the direct answer. Now make a suitable table to find the mean by our formula. Now here amount of aid in 1000 rupees, 50 to 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100. Now we have to take the class mark also. Number of families means the frequency also given 7, 13, 26 and 4. Now number of families given here. Now take the total of frequency means the n, which is equal to summation fi. 13 plus 7 means 20, 20 plus 20 means 40, 40 plus 10 means 50. The total is 5050 here. Now take the class mark means take the sum and divide by 2. Here 50 plus 60 means 110 divided by 2 means 55. Then 60 plus 70 means 130 divided by 2 means 65, which is increasing by 10. Then 65 plus 10 means 75, plus 10 means 85, plus 10 means 95, like this. Now in the last column take the product of fi and xi. Now here 55 into 7, then we get 385. It is 385. Then 65 into 13 means 845. 845. Then 75 into 20 means 1500. Then 85 into 6 means 510. 510. Then 95 into 4 means 380. त्यानंतर या सर्वांची या ठिकाणी आपल्याला टोटल घ्यायची आहे आणि ती टोटल 3620 असे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी ॲडिशन मिळू शकते. देन टेक द यूज द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ मीन, देन वी गेट मीन इज इक्वल टू एक्स बार विच इज इक्वल टू समेशन fi xi अपॉन समेशन fi which is equal to, now here 3620 divided by summation fi means 50. Now 0 get cancelled. Then 362 divided by 5 यानी जर आपल्याला डिवाइड केलं तर then we get 72.4 72.4 rupees. Then multiplying by 1000 which is equal to 72.4 into 1000, then which is equal to या ठिकाणी 1 2 3 zeros आहे. डेसिमल पॉईंटच्या नंतर 3 डिजिट्स आपल्याला नेक्स्ट मध्ये डेसिमल पॉईंट द्यावा लागतो. इन 72,400. This is the answer, and hence the mean of amount of aid is equal to rupees 72,400. This is the answer. Thank you from Sanjay Thakre.